Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something for you to showcase regarding the solar gadgets. This is a 12 volt DC multi-purpose fan I have ordered through Amazon. So just wanted to unbox it and showcase you how this fan looks and how it works. Let us open the kit. So just cut the tape and it comes like this. So you can see the fan. So they have a single motor and the fan like this. Also they have a center table which is like a stand for this one. But you let me fix this and show you how it looks. So once you fix, this is how the fan looks. The quality is okay. Definitely the plastic is cheap. They also gave this stand kind of rubbers for the support separately interesting. And quality seems okay-ish for the price, but I have paid around 500 and some change, 570 or something for this fan. Let me fix it to my DC battery, as well as I will try to fix it to the direct solar panel. What I am disappointed is that there is no on and off button. It could have been easier for me to extend this wire and operate it separately. But let me see how it works. Now what I have done is I just extended this both the wires and attached them to a clippers so that I can easily connect to my battery. Let me connect and see how it works. It started running. I can feel the flow is quite good. So let me show you how it goes. Flow is good, but it's a little noisy, but not noisy, but quite its size. And I think, yeah, this is what I have expected from this fan, and it serves it. Let me also try connecting this fan directly to the solar panel and see how it works. And as you can see here, I have 55 watt panels in my window. I also have two panels which power these solar fans. So I will do a review of those solar fans as well. And you can see my battery is charging. The same battery I have connected to. Now I have the connections here for the solar panels. So I'm trying to keep my fan directly connected to the panel and see how it works. Let me put the wait. Seems like it is working, but it is slower than what it runs on the fan. And also I see that my power is being sucked by the fan, and the controller is not getting enough power to generate it to the battery. Also it looks slow. Do not directly connect it to the panel if it's quite low and very slow. Now I don't even feel the air flow, so I will just remove from this. I think as soon as I remove it, will start charging my battery. So overall, I think I'm satisfied with this. I just wanted an alternative one which runs on the battery, because I have another setup of solar panel which is charging on 7 ampere battery, and I wanted to have a small fan for my personal need. Apart from the ones I have here, I have two. There is one more down there. So I thought let me do that. So I will do one more review of this fan. I just received it a couple of days back. I'm just testing it, and you can see that this is also charging from these panels, the smaller panels. One for this fan, one for that another fan. So both are charging. Alright, okay, I will leave the description for this fan in the I will leave the link in the description. You can have a look, and if you feel like this is something you're looking out, you can definitely purchase this, because this is a cheaper alternative for a fan like this. This costed me 2,700 including the panel, but it comes with a rechargeable battery. Even you can recharge this with an DC adapter. So I will also do a comparison video between these two. Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye.